Text Broker is another platform that are looking for writers like you and I who are looking for ways to earn money online. If you're interested, go on this platform because they're looking for you. Now, Text Broker is the proven content writing service provider to outsource your written content quickly, easily, always get the exact content you need. So here is brands. Most of the time, the jobs which they post here, it's companies who are looking for writers to write for them a project, or it's a job which they want you to work for them. So what happens is companies, they come to Text Broker, they post your jobs over here, and then now you as a freelancer, you go on this Text Broker platform, you sign up, which is free of charge, and of course you upload your CV. Make sure your CV has all the necessary skill set that is required, and of course you get connected to the jobs which are on this platform. Remember, you are applying for jobs that meet your skill set. Is it a legit website? Yes. In the writing industry, it is a known company, and they pay for the work you have done. They've worked with companies like Yoast, Staples, eBay, and these are international company. So you can go on Text Broker, and of course you sign up, which is free of charge, and start working today. How much can you earn? It all depends on you. How much do you charge? How much, or what is the agreement between you and the person who has hired you? Make sure, if for those who are working internationally, who are global hired, make sure you have a PayPal account, because how are you going to receive your money if you do not have a PayPal, or maybe Payoneer or a Skrill global payment platform, because those are accepted worldwide. But mostly the one which number one, which is popular and accepted mostly, it's PayPal account. So how much can you earn? Like I say, it's all about you and you, the person who has hired you. How much have you agreed on in terms of payment? Make sure when you hire, deliver work on time. Make sure you deliver quality work, because if you deliver poor quality work, you're going to be removed from the platform, which means also you not be able to earn a living. So if you can see here, what types of articles you're going to write. For example, you're going to there are some jobs which they'll tell you to write basic articles, like and then there's some jobs which will tell you to write in-depth article where you do more research, and of course they want more meat on the article. So of course that one is a bit more paying, because it involves a lot of work. And then of course there's foreign languages. So there are jobs which you, if you maybe speak and can write foreign languages, there are jobs for that, and if it meets your requirement, you can go on this platform and start applying and get this job immediately. So yes, this is what content Text Broker is all about. So go ahead and don't miss out on this platform, because they really do pay you for the work you have done. So they've worked with companies like eBay, Yoast, Staple, iProspect, and many other international companies. So if you're interested, go ahead. As you can see down here, there's a section where they say jobs. Okay, so Text Broker career opportunities, we are looking for you. Textbroker.com is the leading online platform in the US for custom-made, unique written content. The online marketplace bring together customer looking for unique and exclusive textual content with more than 100,000 US-based freelancer authors who can write about virtually any topic. Orders include search engine optimized web copy, blog posts, articles, press releases, news, white paper, e-commerce description, buyer guides, even chapter of books. The parent company was founded in Germany and offers its services in 36 languages. Typical customers are SEO and marketing agency, internet portals, as well as e-commerce vendors and publishers. So yes, these are what they are looking for. You can go in there and check if you meet the requirements. Of course, you can apply, and I wish you all the best.